All right, friends, so Mrs. Speckle has challenged me to continue this long division without notes, so we're going to see what happens. And you're right back with me, and you've already done this yourself at home, so you can just scream at your computer when I make a mistake. But these are going to cancel. We've got negative x cubed over 6 plus x cubed over 2. 1/2 minus a 6 is going to be a third. So I've got x cubed over 3 right here. And now I've got x to the 5th over 120 minus x to the 5th over 24. Common denominator is 120. Need to multiply that by 5. So it's going to be negative 4 over 120, which is negative x to the 5th over 30. And so forth. All right, so I'm going to take...
That's one term out of 3.
That's one term, but don't fear. So far, things are good. She's just angry because she didn't think I could get that far. So now, my first term is x cubed over 3. I'm dividing by 1, and so I'm going to place that up here, and I've got x cubed over 3. And I'm going to multiply that, so I've got x cubed over 3 minus, oh, how convenient that it's x to the 5th again. Over 6. And guys, this is going to be my last step right here because I'm about to get my third term. These cancel. I need to subtract, so treat this as addition. This one's bigger, so my answer is going to be positive. So I've got a 6 and a 30th. My common denominator is 35 minus 1 is 4. So I've got 4 30ths or 2 15ths. 2 x to the 5th over 15 divided by 1 is 2 x to the 5th divided by 15. And those are my first 3 terms. And is it correct? Is it really?
Yes.
Hey!
How does it feel to be so short?
Horrible.
You can't even reach the top of the board.
Oh, your kids don't know that? I mean, yeah.
Look here, let's compare our heights.
Hi. She just needs to feel better about herself right now.
Because I can't
just
do that. Fractions, I'm sad. I need to.
All right. Keep going. Mrs. Speckle!
Woo! Right. Good job. I just couldn't have done that if I needed to. All right.
It's my desert island calculus.
Yes, your desert island
Without a
looking
stick.
really good. So I want to do a power series for sine squared, and of course I want to remind you that you could do sine times sine and just do what we did with like the infinite FOIL, which isn't infinite FOIL, but you can do that if you want to. But there's another thing that I want to show you that's kind of crazy, and it's going to take us a lot of time to sort of build this up, but I'm going to use a trig identity that we know and love, and it's called the power reducing trig identity. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to use this instead, and I want to show you how cool this is going to be if I do it right. That's 1/2 minus cosine of 2x over 2. So, remember what Smart Girl does, and then remember all the things that we've taught you about putting together series. The cosine of x, we know, is even powers, alternating, and all this, right? I'm thinking if I need another term. I'm going to cheat and look at my notes. I probably should just have one just in case. I'm not cheating.
Right.
So that be minus? Oh.
You're really falling apart.
I am falling apart. It's 12:30. Okay. So that goes on and on and on and on and on. But what I really want is cosine of 2x, and so the smart girl is going to put a 2x in for every one of those x's. So 1 minus 2x squared over 2 factorial plus 2x to the 4th over 4 factorial, 2x to the 6th over 6 factorial. What should I do next? I'm trying to generate this series. I did this, I did that. Next thing I need to do is divide by 2. So I'm going to do 1/2 of this entire series. Hi, Miss Butler. Everyone say hi, Miss Butler. Come make a cameo. You can't stop the video.
Keep going.
We're going to be here for just a minute. Okay, So I shouldn't have done that. Actually, I wish I hadn't done that. I'm undoing. Patience, people. Get distracted. So I'm going to do 1/2 of this whole series by cutting every single term in half. Do I really? Okay. Still don't know how many terms I need, so I'm just going to keep it up with my nonsense. Okay, so now I have this, right? Now I finally am going to do 1/2 minus that. And remember, 1/2 minus that. Oh, it's a good thing I had an extra term, because look at this. I'm going to have 1/2 minus all of this. And so what's going to happen, Miss Busani, Miss Butler, what's going to happen when I combine these?
You're going to be left with only 2 terms because those 1/2s are going to cancel.
I better not, because I have 3 over there.
3 terms, that's what I said.
Oh, that's what I wanted.
Right.
I wanted 3 terms. I didn't want only. So it's a good thing that in the very beginning I was like, I wonder if I need an extra term.
Why do you make fun of me for being short when you write on the, they're like...
Oh, I should do this? Oh, yeah, you're right. I forget that that's
You can do that?
Miss Butler just learned something new.
I didn't know you
Oh
could
my
do
god, I
that.
press that button like 30 times a day because I can only use the bottom half.
Okay.
Oh.
Side conversations, cease.
Sorry.
Okay. So the 1/2 minus 1/2, those are going to cancel out, and this negative is going to distribute to the rest of the series. And so your final answer, I'm not going to simplify this because I don't care to, and I don't know why I should need to, is going to be this. Did I make any mistakes, my friends?
You did great.
So this is an approximation for sine squared of x.